Hello, I'm going to go over how to write events on your swimmer's arms and legs. This will help each swimmer get behind the block when they're supposed to. It'll help the coaches as well. Having it done before you arrive will save a lot of time for the coaches at the meets. It'll actually help the swimmers remain a little bit calmer because they know where they're supposed to be. So the first thing you want to have is the event. Leave a little extra space there, and then heat, and then lane. And we'll use Maggie Beck as an example here. If you look across the top, it says event number 1, and then it has the description of the event. In this case, it's the girls 10 and under 200 free. So all we're going to write is event 1, and then 200 free. Then her heat. As you look above the list, it says heat 1 of 2, heat 2 of 2. Maggie is in heat 2. Then we'll go back to the heat sheet, and these numbers down the left-hand side are the lane. So then you would type in lane 2. We'll add number 1 there to kind of help differentiate there. So let's see if Maggie's. So you would do this for each day. Print this heat sheet out. I've already highlighted it. If I missed anyone, my apologies ahead of time. We don't always get the heat sheets ahead of time, but in this case, this is very helpful. You would just go through here and fill out the events for that session. Please refer to the parent information that is also linked in the email, and it's on our website under the meet itself. You will see what sessions, what events are in what sessions, so you kind of have an idea of where you're at. Please let me or a coach know if you have any questions on this. It is best to do this in a permanent marker. Pen tends to fade off just a little too quickly, so permanent marker is the way to go.